Today I'm going to be showing you what I think about this avocado steamer basket. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson and I own the blog 365 Days of Slow and Pressure Cooking. Every week here on YouTube I share something with you about the Instant Pot. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I think about this cool steamer basket that I got in the mail. And the brand is called Avokado, so it's not for avocados, but it is the Avokado steamer basket, and avocado is spelled with a K, A-V-O-K-A-D-O. Let's get to it. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and what I think, if I recommend or not. Here is the Avokado steamer basket. As you can see, it fits perfectly inside a 6-quart. It will also fit inside your 8-quart. It is too big for a 3-quart, however. One thing I like about it is that it does sit up from the bottom of the pot. You can see that it's got these round scalloped edges here, and that's just so that it can sit off of the bottom of the pot. So you can put in about 1 to 2 cups of water and it won't go, the water won't come up here and fill in the holes, so that your vegetables or whatever you're steaming are not actually sitting in the water. Another thing that I really like about this steamer basket is that it's silicone, it's floppy, it's flexible. It's dishwasher safe. You can just pop this right into a dishwasher and it cleans it very nicely. It won't rust, and it's BPA free. Personally, I really like making mashed potatoes in this because whenever I make mashed potatoes, I usually make a lot, and so this whole basket will be full of cubed potatoes. And when they're done, I could easily just grab them out, take them out of the pot, and then drain whatever liquid I have in the pot. And then plop the potatoes, I would pour the potatoes into the pot, and then I could use the pot, the stainless steel liner here, and just mash them straight into the stainless steel liner. Another thing that I use this for is steaming broccoli, making corn on the cob. There's plenty of ways that you can use this steamer basket. The thing about it is that it's a really good price point. It's about $10.95 on Amazon. I will share the link to Amazon with you in my notes below. I do recommend this steamer basket if you don't have one already. If you stay tuned, I will let you know how to enter to win this green steamer basket. You can enter the giveaway by clicking on the link in the notes below. If you're on mobile, click on the title of this video and it will pull up in my notes, and you can click on the link to enter to win this steamer basket.